Hello my friends, this is another episode of Inside Out Electronics, and we're going to take a look at this battery, laptop battery pack. I did already a video about it when I tried to actually analyze and maybe revive all those batteries in order to actually salvage this Dell laptop battery, but turned out to be it was not possible. I couldn't figure out how to talk to this chip, and at the end I decided to buy a new battery. Well, and instead of spending lots of time poking around and figuring out how to revive this one, I decided I gonna tear it apart and recycle batteries which are still okay and ditch the ones which are bad. So if you remember, or you can take a look at this video and you can see that this one of these cells over here in this bank, or maybe all of them, are bad. So this is more or less okay. Sorry, this and this one, this bank is bad. So we can, after like, I don't know, a year and a half, I released that video. Let's take a look what's going on with those batteries. Okay, so let's take our multimeter and wow, that's quite a bit of glare here. Oh yeah, let's do this like this. Switch it into like DC voltage and measure. Negative. Yeah, that's pretty bad. This bank is still alive. This bank is still alive. So yes, this bank is pretty bad. Now we have to figure out which batteries are dead. Probably all three of them in this case, because they were sitting dead for like years. And to see what individual capacity of these batteries. Yeah, and then we see what we can salvage, what we can ditch. Okay, so in order to finish this procedure we need tools, and that's gonna be tool like this. Unfortunately I won't be able to salvage much of this thing, unfortunately. Yeah, there is also a whole bunch of glue of some sort which I would have to somehow, yeah, remove from those batteries in civilized fashion, not to like damage the batteries themselves, and in order to allow them to fit into some sort of places which are designed for, oh wow, look at this, designed for 18650s. Alright, okay, well, let's try hacking. Start hacking. I don't know if anything can be salvaged from over here, and also I do not know if this controller can be salvaged for something, but well, doesn't really matter now. Kind of reluctant to start pulling everything apart. Ah well. Okay, we have our controller out. Not sure if it can be recycled for whatever other battery pack, but you know, we have nice shunt resistor over here. Probably some MOSFETs, fuse, thermistor. Heh, who knows, maybe we can recycle it. Just put it aside. Let's test them. Looking good. So we have salvaged 6 definitely good shape and 3 in crappy shape, but potentially I can salvage them because I have a technique. And they may be useful for some low power applications where the capacity is not that important. So here's our score today. 3 questionable cells over here. I didn't clean them up because if they're questionable I'm gonna just deliver them to recycling facility, and 6 in a good shape. Actually these are in good shape. Not sure what to do with controller. I'm gonna keep it around. I have a little stash with like broken laptop controllers, maybe, sorry, laptop battery controllers. Maybe, I don't know, there is a way of actually doing anything with them, but for now this is junk. Maybe I will reuse some of the components. Yeah, that's not a big deal. So have a Nitro Core charger. I'm just wondering what's gonna happen if I plop these guys over here. It's just upside down, sorry guys. What's it gonna say? It's actually charging it. Whatever. Okay. Okay, what happened here? It's really hard to see even for myself. It's really dim. Yeah, it's this guy obviously gonna get confused. Okay, here we are. So this is, sometimes it works, sometimes it not. Several times you just plug it in and out, and after several of these attempts, this 90-core charger actually detects it as a lithium battery and start charging it in constant current mode. Right now it's 2.5 volts already, in being 0.35. Sorry, it was 0.3 or something to this extent. Yeah, looks like it detected both of them as lithium batteries. Well, here we are. This is not my intended way of recovering them. I have a different way, but that was just a crapshoot. I tried it and it seems like working. I'm not sure how they're gonna last after this sort of recovery, because they may just not operate properly. The capacity could be shit. So if I ever gonna actually be successful of charging those 3 cells, I will discharge them and measure capacity, because this charger is a bit dumb. It doesn't have a discharging cycle, right? It just charges them. I have a Tronxy RC charger, which is much smarter, and I think I will use that guy in order to detect charging and discharging capacity of these dudes. So, well, this guy is working. Let's make a conclusion. So if you have old battery, you can actually make yourself a whole bunch of 18650s for your project. This is the biggest conclusion of my little video. If you have a broken laptop battery which your laptop doesn't want to take anymore, doesn't want to charge anymore, refuses to do anything with it, when you pull the plug out it just dies, you have 2 ways. First, deliver it to recycling facility, and the second one, actually recycle it yourself and have some useful and actually very nice batteries. Those are LG cells, by the way, I didn't mention that, and these cells are really good. If they are not dead, not kind of expired, they will serve you for a long time in a flashlight, in your project, and yeah, you can do a lot of things with these guys. So, thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Please like and subscribe. Ciao! Okay, here is a little bonus video for you. So I decided to actually include this little segment into this video. I spent about probably 3 days actually charging and discharging of each individual battery, and here we are. This is the result of charging and discharging, and here are the numbers of milliamp hours of each individual battery. So I created little labels, put the milliamp hours of each individual battery, and those 3 marked L actually surprised me. Alright, so one of them was actually 1790 milliampere hours, another one 1560, and this one is the worst of all, number 9, 1300. But pretty much all of them was actually not too bad. 1570, 1700, 1600, 1700, 1700, 1600, and so on. Those batteries are rated for 3000 milliampere hours. Obviously this is really well used a battery, so it shows its age and you know, wear. But this is, here we are, 18650 still gonna serve you well. So currently they are put into the storage mode, 50% capacity. If I'm gonna use them in some kind of project, yes, I'm gonna charge them to full and use, and I think 1700 milliampere hour is really decent capacity, despite the fact that they are well used. They're not gonna serve me for a long time, but I'm pretty sure they gonna serve for some time, and they are pretty much for free, which is the main thing here, for free. So upcycling is awesome. Thank you guys for watching, see ya later.